They say ducks are always calm on the water, but under the surface, their little legs are paddling like crazy. Ducky is enjoying some time off in the bath after a magnificent financial year, and he's thinking about the fact that this is our 5th year. And perhaps it's time for a bigger challenge. Maybe time to expand horizons and look for new friends. 2024 AMP take on Africa.
Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Dassault Systèmes and AMP CAD CAM Solutions have signed an historic agreement. The agreement, a master distribution agreement, paves the way for a new kind of working environment for the Dassault CRE or SOLIDWORKS channel in Africa, which is the assignment of sub-resellers under supervisory control of AMP CAD CAM. This distribution model allows for local expertise in country while giving ultimate responsibility to one focal point. The distribution agreement is active as of 1 January 2024, and we at AMP are looking for companies to partner with us as sub-resellers for the greater African region. If you and your company are located in Africa and wish to come on board to innovate change in African manufacturing, reach out to us at AMP today. We'd love to discuss potential partnerships.